Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Klaviyo Odoo integration. It allows the easy import and export of contact list between Odoo and the Klaviyo. It auto-sends the website orders and the customer activity in the real time, enabling personalized campaigns based on the purchases and the user behavior. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database. And now I'm just going to the Klaviyo integration module. So for the first, you have to select this Klaviyo configuration, and here you have to add the name, the URL and the API key for the same. So here we have a multiple option. You can import the context from the Klaviyo and you can also import the list items from the Klaviyo. So if you want to import the context from the Klaviyo, you just have to click on this import. The contexts are imported from the Klaviyo. So here under the audience tab you can find the profiles. So from this profiles the contexts are created to the Klaviyo. If I'm selecting the one contact, so you can see it has a unique Klaviyo profile ID. After that I'm just going to the sales and selecting the customers, and I'm selecting one customer. So it is not available in the Klaviyo. So if you want to export it to the Klaviyo profile, you just have to click on this export. So you can see it is successfully exported and one Klaviyo profile ID is also created for this customer. So here in the Klaviyo portal, you can also able to see this entry is created for the customer we have exported. After that, we have an option to import the list from the Klaviyo. So for the same, you have to just click on this. Here you can see the Klaviyo lists are fetched from the Klaviyo portal. So if I'm selecting the one list, so you can see it has a unique Klaviyo ID. If you want to set up the profile ID for the same, so you can also able to add it over here and you can select the same. After that, we also have an option to create the list in the Odoo and we can able to export it to the Klaviyo portal. So here I'm just going to create the new list and I'm just going to add the customer profile ID. So here you can see one button is generated for the exported to the Klaviyo. Now I'm just going to the portal. So here you can see the list and segments. So here you can see our exported list is imported over here in the Klaviyo portal. After that, we also have an option to auto export our every contact to the Klaviyo. So for the same, you have to enable it. So if you also want to track the orders, so you just have to enable it. So the orders which were created from the Odoo, it will be directly exported to the Klaviyo portal. So for example, if you go to the website and you can view any product, so here under the analytics tab, you have to select the matrices, and under this all integration, you will find one option for the API. So from here, you can see the viewed products and under the activity feed, you can able to see the products which are viewed. So from here you can also able to track the details from the placed orders. And here we also have many matrices for the same. If you want to track the fulfilled order, cancel order, the product added to the cart, you can also able to track all the details which are connected from the Odoo to the Klaviyo. So I'm selecting the fulfilled order. So here you can see our fulfilled order are fetched over here, and the details are reflected in the Klaviyo portal. So this how this Klaviyo integration with Odoo is work. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.